Hey, let me show you all touch control gestures and other controls of the JBL Live 770. So first we have to go to the JBL headphones application, and here we can find gestures. And as you can see, we can find here the action button, which is located right here. And with this action button, for the single press, we can adjust the ambient sound control. So we can turn on and off noise cancellation, ambient AOR, or basically turn off ambient sound control. And with the double press, we can enable talk through. When you go to the touch panel, we've got single tap, double tap, triple tap, and then tap and hold. For this preset, for the playback and the voice assistant control, we can play and pause media or dismiss voice assistant while activating. We can double tap to turn next track. We can triple tap to turn previous track. We can tap and hold to wake the native voice assistant that is actually activated on our phone. So right here we can switch between Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa on Android. And when you select the no, he will be basically just turn it off. And for the call, you've got double tap to answer incoming call and hang up on ongoing call. And for the tap and the hold, you've got reject incoming call and mute or unmute microphone during a call. So if you wonder where is located this touch panel, it's just right here. This is actually the touch panel, the right headphone. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.